In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add an axis title to an existing chart in Excel. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and locate the chart you want to update. Once you have found it, click once on the chart to select it. This is important because Excel only shows chart-specific options when the chart itself is active. After you click, you should see the chart highlighted, which confirms that it is selected and ready to edit. Next, look toward the top right corner of the chart area. You will see a green plus icon. This button gives you quick access to chart elements that you can add or remove, including axis titles. Click the plus icon to open the Chart Elements menu. When the menu appears, move your mouse over the option labeled Axis Titles. This helps you identify the setting you need. Then click the checkbox next to Axis Titles. As soon as you do this, Excel will add title boxes to the chart. You should now see one text box for the horizontal axis at the bottom of the chart and another for the vertical axis on the left side. Take a moment to verify that both of these text boxes have appeared. This lets you confirm that the feature has been turned on correctly before you begin typing. If you can see both title boxes, you are ready to name each axis. Now click the text box labeled Axis Title on the bottom, horizontal axis. Once the cursor appears inside the box, type the name you want for your horizontal axis. Choose a label that clearly describes the category, time period, or data grouping shown across the bottom of your chart. After that, click the text box labeled Axis Title on the left vertical axis. Type the name you want for your vertical axis. This title should describe the values or measurements being displayed, so the chart is easier to understand at a glance. When both titles have been entered, click anywhere on the white space of the spreadsheet outside the chart. This will apply your changes and deselect the chart. At that point, your new axis titles should remain visible on the chart. Adding axis titles is a simple way to make your chart clearer and more professional. It helps anyone reading the chart understand exactly what the horizontal and vertical data represent. That covers everything you need to know.